Forget everything you think you know about the permanence of our night sky. In an unimaginable timescale, a titanic cosmic event is set to unfold, the head-on collision of the Andromeda Galaxy with our very own Milky Way. This isn't just a distant theory. It's a future reality that offers a breathtaking perspective on our place in the universe's grand design. As Andromeda draws closer, an imperceptible drift measured not in years, but in eons, our skies will transform into a celestial masterpiece. Stars will stretch, warp, and shimmer as gravitational tides pull both galaxies into a spiraling dance older than human memory and far beyond human control. Entire constellations will be rewritten. The silent darkness between worlds will crackle with the energy of billions of suns rearranging themselves in a slow-motion cosmic choreography. Yet, despite the scale, this collision will not be an act of destruction. It will be a rebirth. Our two great stellar cities will merge into one colossal galaxy, a luminous titan scientists call Milkomeda. New stars will ignite from turbulent clouds of gas, while ancient ones continue their journey through an ever-changing expanse. And in that future sky, trillions of years from now, any observers who gaze upward will witness a universe forever reshaped, a reminder that even the most majestic structures are not fixed, but evolving, drifting, destined for transformation. But here's the question that changes everything. When two galaxies collide on a scale this immense, what happens to us? Will our solar system be flung into a new orbit? Will Earth witness a sky filled with swirling stellar storms? Or will we drift silently through the chaos, untouched yet forever transformed? The truth is far stranger and far more fascinating than most imagine, because this isn't just a cosmic collision. It's a story of survival, rebirth, and the unimaginable forces shaping the future of our universe. And the deeper you go, the more unbelievable it becomes. So stay with me until the end, because what happens next will completely change how you see the night sky, our galaxy, and even your place in the cosmos. When galaxies collide, it's not like two solid objects crashing together. Instead, it's more like two vast oceans of stars, gas, and dark matter slowly passing through one another. The scale is so unimaginable that even during this titanic event, most stars will never physically touch. Space is simply too vast. So what does survival look like in a cosmic event of this magnitude? First, our night sky will change in ways no human has ever witnessed. As Andromeda approaches, it will stretch across the heavens as a glowing arc, brighter, larger, and more detailed with each passing million years. Eventually, the two galaxies will begin to swirl around each other, their spiral arms twisting like cosmic ribbons. It will be one of the most breathtaking views the universe can offer. Second, the rebirth begins. Clouds of interstellar gas will collide, compress, and ignite new stars in spectacular bursts of creation. While old systems drift quietly, new suns and new worlds will be born from the chaos. The darkness of space will sparkle with fresh light. And then comes the strangest part, the fate of our solar system. We may be pulled into a new orbit, slingshot into the outer regions of the merged galaxy, or drift through the cosmic storm almost completely untouched. The forces at play are so massive, yet so delicately balanced, that predicting our exact path becomes a puzzle written in gravity. But that's what makes this story so incredible, because the deeper we explore this event, the clearer it becomes. We are passengers in a universe that is always moving, always changing, always reshaping itself in ways both terrifying and beautiful. And the end of this journey, what ultimately becomes of the Milky Way, Andromeda, and us, is something you'll want to hear, because it may reveal the future of every star, every planet, and every cosmic structure we've ever known. So don't look away. The most astonishing part is still ahead. In the end, the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is not a cosmic disaster. It's a grand transformation. A slow, majestic resculpting of the universe on a scale beyond imagination. Our solar system may drift to new regions of space. New stars will ignite from the chaos. And the galaxies we once knew will reshape themselves into a single, colossal entity, Milkomeda. This event reminds us of a profound truth. Nothing in the universe is static. Not galaxies, not stars, not even the night sky we take for granted. Everything is evolving, moving, and unfolding in a story billions of years in the making. And we are part of that story, tiny observers of a cosmic dance far larger than ourselves. If you want to uncover more mysteries of the cosmos, learn how our universe lives, changes, and eventually ends, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and join the journey.